here at Sounding Knob Fire Tower, just out of Monterey, Virginia. It's a fire tower that's open, that you can climb up to the top. So we're going to go to the top and take a look around. There's the town of Monterey, Virginia. Beautiful view once you get up here. Nice 360-degree view. This is February the 10th. Storm's supposed to come in tomorrow. Bad wind's really whipping out there right now. Once you get up here and close, not too bad. You can feel the tower rocking a little bit. That's always fun. This has got to be one of the most beautiful views in all Virginia. If you're ever in Monterey, Virginia, you need to check this place out. Sounding Knob Fire Tower. If you're ever in Monterey, Virginia, you need to come check this out.